Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Toronto International Airport and we're going to take a look at some of the cars they have available here. Quite a few, so I'm going to try and break this video up into a couple different segments. Again, just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and give it a quick like if you like what you're watching here, and we'll get started. And we'll just get started off with Premier Selection. We've got Polestar here and a Mercedes A220 available for upgrade. And if we just continue on the into the executive aisle here, we got a Chrysler 300. As you'll see in the aisle, we got quite a few Chrysler 300s. They got a bunch of, looks like they got a bunch more in. We got a Ford Escape, another 300. Somebody's taking this Ford Edge. We got a RAV4, another Ford Edge, Hyundai Sonata, and these actually have the sport trim on it. And the way to tell is if you look at the wheels on them. But I think most of the ones they get in here have that, and it's got a sunroof, which is great. We got another 300 here, and some of the 300s, not this one, but some of the 300s have the sunroof, and some have the adaptive cruise control, which you might want to look for. If I spot one, I'll point that out to you. Actually, I see one on the other side here. I'll try and remember to point that out, what to look for. Okay, so this one's got a sunroof on it. With the nice weather here, that would be a nice choice to have. And what do we got down here? We got a Malibu, got a Ford Escape, another Ford Edge, and we got a Camry at the end. And I'll get to some of these larger SUVs in another video at the end. Stay tuned to the channel for that. A little bit earlier, they're not in the aisle right now, but when I got here, there were a couple Grand Cherokees, Jeep Grand Cherokees in the aisle, and there was also a Ford Explorer or two. And we got one of these, I think that's a Hyundai Kona. I got another Hyundai here. Oh, this is a plug-in hybrid. You can tell the green license plates. Ford Escape. Got a compact Mitsubishi. Got a Mazda 6 with a sunroof in it. We got a Mitsubishi SUV. Got another Mazda here, maybe Mazda 3, another Malibu, and a Kia. And at the end of the aisle here, we've got two Chrysler 300s. So actually, both of these have the sunroof. So you can see the sunroof. And then if you're looking, the easy way to tell if it's got the adaptive cruise, just look below the license plate. And that round sphere at the bottom is the adaptive cruise. Actually, this one doesn't have it, but the other one does. So that's the way you can tell the difference between the two. And we'll just continue on. Lots of cars in the executive aisle. We'll continue on the executive aisle here. And before I forget, just a shout out to the staff here. Awesome customer service here. Definitely highly recommend National Enterprise Alamo out here. So we got a couple compact SUVs here. Mitsubishi, and then we're getting into a Ford Edge, Ford Escape. Got a Camry. Definitely a lot of Malibus in the US, and it looks like they're starting to move in up here as well. Camry, another Mitsubishi, another Malibu, got a VW, a couple more Malibus, and we got a Hyundai Santa Fe here, and got another Chrysler 300, and a compact Buick SUV. It's a little bit newer, and we'll go through some of the overflow down there where they got the larger SUVs. Okay, let's continue on here with the Emerald aisle, the Emerald Club aisle. Got a Mitsubishi. Somebody taking this camera. Another Mitsubishi SUV here. Compact Hyundai Corolla. Got another Mitsubishi compact SUV. A couple Corollas here. Somebody's taking that second one. And we got a Hyundai Kona here. And we got a Kia compact sedan, Corolla, Chevy Trailblazer, one of these compact Chevy SUVs, and I think that's going to wrap things up. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Alamo and Enterprise, Toronto Pearson Airport, and we're going to take a look at some of the reserve cars here. So we'll start off with some of the luxury. And just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. If you like what you're seeing, give the video a quick like. And we got a couple BMW SUVs to start. X3s, and I think that other one's an X1 or an X2. Guess they're probably an X1 there. We got an Audi Q3, compact Hyundai SUV, and a Kia Soul. And I think these are the 220i BMWs. Got another Polestar here, all electric. Mercedes. It starts with an M. GLC 300, and we got an EcoBoost Mustang convertible. Another BMW 3 Series. We got a Jeep Compass, and a couple more BMW. I think these are X1s. And we'll just spin around to the other side here. Again, this is reserve kind of SUVs, luxuries. We got Jeep Sahara, Wrangler, a couple more BMW SUVs. Yeah, looks like they got a bunch of those in. And we got a Volvo. What is this, an S60? Judging by the plates, this one's a little bit older, but still be a nice choice. And well, this is actually newer, so maybe the plates are just recycled. S60 B5. And if you're curious to see more of that, I did a review of one of the ones on the channel. I'll give you a quick peek inside here. But definitely very comfortable ride. And is mileage going to come up here? It has, yeah, about 20,000. That's not bad. And we got another Wrangler, really nice blue. That's probably a newer one, just judging by the mileage on that. And Polestar Performance Edition with the yellow brake calipers. We got a Sienna minivan. Another Sahara Jeep Wrangler, another BMW, Mercedes, and Cadillac XT5 down here, and Jeep Wrangler, Gladiator. These are the ones, kind of like a pickup truck on the back here. I like that color. And why don't we just go for a quick walk? So this is all overflow. It's kind of hard to show you here, but just to give you an idea, like if you got a reservation, they got lots of cars here. There's that Islander, Wrangler. Got that Toyota. Got a Hemi Durango, another Wrangler. A couple more Hemi Durangos. Oh boy, a bunch of them here. And pickup truck, Expedition, Explorer. Oh boy. Lots and lots and lots. Sorry for the way I'm going through here. Okay, ooh, this might be new. What is this, GMC? 5.3 liter V8 Sierra. F-150 XLT. Oh boy, you get lost in here. Okay, let me try and find my way out here. We got a V6 Colorado. A bunch more on the overflow over there. We got a Limited Explorer. Got a Wrangler. What's that large Chevy over there? Is that a Trailblazer? Let's see if I can work my way over there at the end here. Okay, we got an Expedition. I think that's a Buick SUV here. Another Expedition Max. And we got a Colorado. Oh boy. Another Yukon GMC. I just want to see what this Chevy is, and then I think we'll wrap things up. Oh, it's the Traverse. Great. Okay, we'll just kind of wrap things up here at Alamo in the reserve section here. The GMC compact SUV, 3 Series BMW, another Polestar. Got a VW, GLC Mercedes. We got a Cadillac XT5. Ford Explorer down at the end. We got a Camry coming in here. Let me spin around, try not to go around too fast. Got a Chevy SUV, Kia Corolla. And one of these electric Konas, all electric. And we got some folks taking this Equinox and the Camry. So I think that's going to wrap things up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.